How to install UKG Pro app. So here's the app. You can just tap get, double click to install, and then then you will be able to install it. So that's the idea. Say hello to the mobile work experience built to help you thrive at work. Simple and intuitive by design. UKG Pro mobile app gives you instant, secure access to relevant employee information, tools, and insights, helping you stay productive and engaged on the go. From clocking time and flexing schedules to check-in pay and setting aspirational goals, you will discover how delightful work can be. So that's the idea. And then you can just open it up. Next, and then you can just tap get started, and then you need to have access code or tenant URL. Access code is usually a short phrase or alphanumeric code set up by your organization. A tenant URL is a web address set up by your organization. So that's basically what it is.